Weathershield low sheen in black. But I've just got some timbers up here to do. Just using a little 38mm brush. You don't need a primer or anything with this Weathershield. It's a little bit fiddly because all the eaves are finished. So basically we're just going to go along and put a coat on this. It's the same paint I'm going to paint the downpipes with. Should dry fairly quick. Be in 10 or 15 minutes, but then it all depends on the weather, which it is very drizzly, so it mightn't dry at all. Just going to give that a little wiggle, and it's going to move the paint up, and we're just going to cut that in there like that. No ticky tape here, boys and girls. This is just a little old brush, it's nothing flash. Maybe a $5 brush. Throw away. Don't need anything too expensive to do stuff like this. It's not as if it's rocket science or anything. So I've just finished cutting in the eaves. That's it there. And then we'll put another coat on that once that dries. I'm also doing these downpipes with a small brush while I've got a chance. We do have a little bit of silicone happening on a few spots. Hopefully that'll go. We'll give it a clean up on the next coat. We've got another downpipe up here we can do. Now I've actually rolled these. A bit of black up there. So we're going to keep the eave paint on the inside and the black paint we're going to have on the outside. We had a nice fine day, we could finish this house today. Put all the drop sheets down there when I roll the eaves. We're going to paint these post black as well. It's 3 o'clock, so probably won't get it done today. Try, work till 5. Won't have packed up by then though. It's probably an hour packing up.
You drive me crazy out my mind. How'd you do this every time? Now I'm lost without you. Used to be the one I talk to when I'm sad. Can't you see now tainted love?
Now we're going to use a roller on these.
I wish you'd run so deep. Now when I try to sleep I feel so bad. I I should leave, and by the time
No primer needed. No tan and stains to worry about either. This is really good with tan and stain, especially in this colour. Nice to get a bigger brush out. Just get my name in here.
you're so distant when you're home.
Beautiful colour.
Always hanging by
Yacht.
your phone. Do I even know you?
Here's the surf mist.
I get paranoid sometimes. Cause I know that you remind
Woman's all weather.
I'm lost without you. You still be the one I talk to when I'm sad. Can't you see no tainted love is all we have? Our issues run so deep that when I try to sleep I feel so bad. I should leave, and by the time it's done, I'll be gone.
That's how we're going to do it. Go along and do all them now. Get a bigger brush out.